What should I do? Should I go and ask my neighbor for food, or what should I do? And that's the question you'll ask yourself. So when you come to London and you're stranded and you need really to get some free food that you can use for a period of time due to whatever reason, there's an app called Olio. And Olio app will really definitely help you. Will help you to get a lot of stuffs. So, by the way, if you're watching this channel for the first time, my name is Renat Karimbera. I live in London and I do amazing content about London. So I do a lot of things about technology, visiting touristic places, about my life here in London with my family. So there's plenty of things that I show on my channel. So if you find this video useful to you or to whoever think might be useful, like this video, subscribe and share it with those persons. So let's dive in and see how this Olio app work, which can help you to get some free stuff for your family or for yourself. So we are here, the Olio app is here. When you go to Google Play, you find it Olio, and then you go to install. Okay, you go to install. So there we are, Olio, share more, waste less. So we go and then install or install, I don't know. So the app is installing. Let's wait for it to install and see what comes up. Okay, so it's installing. So yeah, guys, for London, there's a lot of ways for you to maneuver around. I think the city is big. Different people lives here. You see, some people could be extremely rich, some people could be extremely poor. So some of these things really help to feel that balance. And for me, it's really useful. That's why I wanted to share this with you, because just imagine taking the food to waste. There's many of us that have food in our fridges. We can't eat it, we can't give it to anyone, but there's no way for us to give it to someone or to my neighbor. But luckily, we have this app, guys, which can help a lot of people to get whatever they need. So there's a lot of things. Let's open the app and see what really goes on this app. Okay. So when you open the app for the first time, this is what you see. Let's see. So it's tell you to log in. I think I have an account already. Let me just see. I think I have an account already. So let me just go to log in. And then go in there. Put my email address. Not a magic link, but I want to use password. So my password will be able to be filled automatically here. Yeah, I have, yes. So I use my finger app to log in. So you see the passwords there. I won't give you the password because it's private. So the password, I knew I had this account before, because when someone told me about this app, I then went immediately to the app store and downloaded it. But I'm not saying that I'm trying to show off or something. I hardly use it. That's why maybe I deleted it. But I thought about it and I was like, no, let me tell my people about this wonderful app. And you never know, someone might get useful to this and then get help. So let's log in, guys. So you log in. You log into the app. Okay. So once you log in, that's what you see. What's the first thing? Will you be interested? Let's concentrate to this first. It says, will you be interested in joining all your volunteer to rescue surplus food? If you have free time to do this, I recommend you to join the volunteer program. What it means is they might be sending you to get some free stuff, food or whatever, and then you can distribute that food to someone else that needs it, okay? But if you are busy and you don't think you will be able to be a volunteer, it's also fine. It's not by force. So just choose whatever fits you. So for me right now, I think I'm a bit busy with work and stuff, so I don't think I'll have time to do a volunteer program. But so I'll go next and click not right now. Okay. So, and then after that, you see on top there, here you see it says, they asked me to add a photo, but no, not now. So it says that free and deal. So if you go to deal, so this may be something that we can buy at a very cheaper price. So maybe instead of buying it for £10 in a local shop, you can buy it for very cheap. For example, if you scroll down here, ask you to enter your postcode if you want. So for example, this was £1.75 or the price for this bread, but now they are selling it for £0.88. So that's the thing with the deal. And then you can see another one here. The bread was 0.99 pounds, but they're selling it for 0.5 pounds. So that's what it means by deal, which means you can find something which is very, very cheap instead of buying you very expensive in the shop. That's what it means here. It could be like maybe, and by the way, this app does not sell expired food. All the food here are genuine and very, very fresh. Most of them, like the free food, the expiry date could be like the next day or the next 2 days. And the deal ones, these ones you go, they might have like maybe 10 days before they expire, or even a week or a month, depending on the guy that's trying to give it away. Maybe he has plenty of them, and the family, some people in the house maybe left for holiday, and then there's enough food in the house. Then you want to sell some to a cheaper price, then that's where you come for deals. Okay, so that's what deal is all about. And then you scroll down, there's a lot of things that you can find here. Barbecue chicken, if you want some barbecue chicken at a cheap price, normal price is 2.75 pounds. Now this guy is selling it for 1.38 pounds. So this is what it means by deal. And then you go here, you go for free. I think for free that's what I'm trying to show you. Okay, free is free, which means you don't need to pay anything. So what you need to do is just scroll down like I'm doing here. Okay, I don't know, I was asking to enter postcode, but I'll enter it later. So you scroll up, you scroll up, you scroll up, and see whatever you need. Okay, and what's very, very important again, guys, is you see it says 0.9 miles. This is how far away this thing is from your area. That's why it's asking to enter postcode there. Okay, I think for me it's giving me these miles because I already put my postcode there. But for you to be using this app accurately and conveniently, when it asks you to enter your postcode, enter the postcode of where you live. Okay, or if you normally work from far and you want to collect some food before you go home, then you can just enter the postcode of your workplace. So when you knock off, you go to the place and pick up the free stuffs. Okay, that's what these miles are very, very important. Okay, so there's tomato and basil pasta, there's watertones, noodle seasoning, sexa, so a lot of things. But the good part also, you don't need to only come and scroll here and see what they are having. I think you can go here to search. Okay, so if you search for something that you specifically want, maybe let's say you want chicken in your house, there's no chicken, you have everything, you have macaroni, you have pasta, you have whatever, you have something to make pap for yourself, especially as Africans. What you need to do is now you search for whatever is missing in there. So I'll try to search chicken here and see what comes out. Okay, chicken. Okay, start search for chicken and then search. Let's see. So it says, so all the chickens are here. Corona Nation chicken, chicken and Bascon pasta, chicken and stew corn. So frozen KFC chicken, you see, someone just froze some KFC chicken. You could pick it up and go enjoy with your family. So what I'm trying to say is the search box here allows you to search for any item that you really think you need it in your house and you want to get it for free. Then you go to the search there. Okay, and if you don't want to search and you just want to grab whatever you think would be interested to you, you just scroll through these things. You scroll, you scroll, you scroll. For example, let's say I want to pick up this protein brownie bars, which I'm always going to the gym and I ran out of protein bars and I need to get some free ones. I will come here and then click this one. Okay, so once I click there and then you go up, that's what you see. The pictures for the protein bars are there. And then if you see that this is the one that you like, and then you scroll up here, and then the map shows you where this thing is. This thing for me is currently very far. It's in West Mosley. So if you are living close to West Mosley, then you go to the request this. You see this one here? Say request this. Okay. So when you request that, then you say, the guy said, the one who posted this protein bar said, today between 1 and 4 p.m. ideally. So if I want to pick up this one, I need to pick up today. between 1 and 4 p.m. That's when the ideal time that this person could be available to hand over these things to me. So that's what is important. So I'm not really interested in these things. And then once I choose this one, and then say please specify a pickup time and date. So I come now here, I will enter now the specific time and date that I want to pick up these things. I can type anything. Maybe I say today at today between, so whatever I want to type there, I can type there. So today what this is the time that I want to pick up these things. And then when I'm done, then send this guy a request. Maybe if you add some additional message that you want to talk to the guy about, maybe thank you very much, I know this thing is very, very in demand, please keep it for me, I'm very, very serious, I'll pick it up, here's my cell phone number that you can call me if I don't show up. This is the message that you can add on that thing to the person who's selling that. Okay, so once you do that, and then you say send the request. Once you, because if I send the request, then this thing will go and I'm not interested in it. They can blackmail on the app. And this is very, very important, guys. Take note of this. If you go on the app and request something and then you don't show up to get that thing, I think they give you a warning. But if you did like maybe 1 or 2 times, this app can blacklist you and you never use the app again in your life. So be careful. Once you really send the request, be sure that you are available to go pick up that things and you are very close to the place. And if by any chance or by any reason something comes up, you are not able to go there, please reach out to the person and tell them, sorry, I was about to come and get these things, but I'm really, really very busy, I can't make it, can I come and pick up tomorrow or this day, so that the person will know that you are really, really serious. So take note of that, guys. Okay, so once you do that, then you send the request will go, and then you are good to go. So you just need to knock off. You can even request the number for the person also from here, or maybe give me your cell phone number where I can easily reach and then contact them. So that's what you do on this app, and then you send the message and then you are good to go. Okay, so I think this is what I wanted to show you guys today. The main point for me is to show you that there is a way that you can find free food here in London. Don't ever go hungry if you come first time to London. Use the app called Olio. It's found on the Apple Store. Download it, register on your profile on that app, log in, and then look for something that you really want to eat, and then request for that property or whatever, item. Be sure to go and pick it up, and then we're good to go. So there's plenty of items that you can find on this app. Okay, so I will go back now and see what I can show you again on this thing. So if you go back to the home page, here we are. So on this one, there's something that you can do. So there's some filter here, item that you want, is it all, personal, vulture, item availability, is it only that's something that's available only, or something that has been gone, or so you specify like what item do you want. Is it something that's currently available, or something that's it's just gone? I don't know what they really mean by gone, but just gone, probably it just went, and there's still some more that they could give you. Okay, and if you select all probably it's like you want all of them that could be available on the app. And the maximum distance, how much do you want to move and go get the property? That's what the maximum distance is. So there's a filter that you can do to filter items. If you lazy to walk 0.3 miles only, you can choose that and then search and see what you can find. Or if you want to do some exercise while looking for free food, then you can choose a longer distance and then exercise to that place, get your item, exercise back, take a shower, enjoy your free food. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. The app is called Olio. Okay, so pause. Okay, so guys, I think that's the end for this video today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be bringing you a more informative video as far as London is concerned. So stay tuned, and thank you for the support. Let's go to 2,000 subscribers. I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys.